Hey guys, it's me. I haven't vacated from the premises, but I must say that I do apologize and that it has been a while. Kind of fell off the bandwagon there for a while, and I think, yes, I was at my lowest when I had been on it most recently. I got down to 163. So, what a difference it made in me. I know this is the real deal. There's no question about that. The thing is, and I'm sure many people have gone through garbage. Just, I'm not necessarily going to say that I'm an emotional eater. I've kind of been able to channel that and been able to get over that. Um, it's more or less convenience now. Um, I when I get home, I don't actually go to my house. I go to my folks' place. So I just eat whatever they're having now. And life has been so nuts that stuff happens. And for like the last 3 months, stuff has happened that I think it started when I had to take my roommate into the hospital. And I had chips for like the first time just to try and stay awake. And then I had to go to work the very next day, the very next morning. I had like 2 hours of sleep. My point is that I don't feel this time like I'm a failure. I feel like, yes, I went through the ringer, and I have been for a long time. It hasn't just been the last 2 months. It's been a long time. Although I'm healthier than what I was 2 years ago, even the past year, I feel more confident. I feel more like a woman. I'm 24 years old now, and I don't know. It's like something hit me, and it wasn't exactly a resolution. It's just like, there's certain things that I just want to change. But me and the way I am and the people that I surround myself with, I'm so lucky to have those type of people. So lucky, and they've encouraged me and helped me. I just want to let you guys know where I'm at, in that, I think everyone makes mistakes, and I guess that's besides the point. It's just in that we all go through the ringer from time to time. We all fall off the bandwagon. But what's interesting is those that actually pick themselves up and start all over again. And I think I'm going to be doing that for the rest of my life. I think weight is going to be an ongoing struggle. I think I'm always going to have that problem. It's never going to be easy to keep the weight off. My goal is by October 1st to be down to healthy again. It'll be interesting to see what different sizes and what different things look like on me, because I know when I got to 163, things look differently on me than they ever did. Even when I was initially like 150, things, it's like when I was 163 in like any other diets, I was 150. And so I had all this weight off my hips, and what a difference. But anyways, I have to let you go. I am at work. I just want to let you know what is going on. And I haven't vacated the premises at all. I'm actually kind of wondering if I should continue with YouTube, if I should delete my account. But I'll let you guys weigh in on that. It's your decision. And although I'm the one that makes the ultimate decision, I want you guys to comment or post if you like my videos or whatnot. If so, I'm gonna try and be more regular. And as far as videos concerned. But anyways, I will talk to you later. And trying to make it short and sweet, it never works out, these videos. But yeah, take care, and I wish you guys all the best if you don't hear from me. And all of you guys who are doing so well, despite the odds, despite pregnancy, and you know who you are. Um, good for you. Good for you. And just keep on doing it, and yeah, I just, as a kind of a family unit, I'm very proud of you guys for all of your hard work. And take care. Like I said, wish you all the best. Bye for now.